Do you want to know how you can become a registered physiotherapist in Australia? If yes, then you are in luck. In this video, we will discuss the steps involved in getting registration as a physiotherapist in Australia. So watch this video till the very end. Step 1. Interim Certificate. The first step of the process is to get an interim certificate which says that you are eligible to become a physiotherapist in Australia. It is kind of a temporary registration that allows you to take the APC assessments. It includes the following: Eligibility Assessment. In this step, the APC evaluates all the documents you submit and makes sure your documentation is complete and authentic. Cultural Safety Training. This is an important step in which you have to complete an online cultural and safety training to make sure you are ready to work in a multicultural environment like that of Australia. Step 2. APC Written Assessment. The APC Written Assessment is an online MCQ exam that consists of 2 papers that can be taken on the same day. This test has questions from different subjects of physiotherapy aimed to assess your physiotherapy knowledge, problem-solving skills, and decision-making process. You can take this exam in your home country. Step 3. English Proficiency. Since Australia is an English-speaking country, migrating to Australia requires proof of your proficiency in the English language. For this, you can either clear the IELTS, OET or PTE exams with the required score. This will help you in getting your visa and registration. Step 4. APC Clinical Assessment. The APC Clinical Assessment is the final step of the process. This is a chance to display your clinical skills and reasoning. And for this test, you need to visit Australia. This assessment is conducted in a simulated environment where you have to handle patients and cases using your knowledge and analytical skills. After passing your clinical assessment, you will get the registration certificate from the Australian Physiotherapy Council, based on which you can get a job and sponsored visa in Australia. So these are the steps involved in becoming a registered physiotherapist in Australia. Simple, aren't they? So what are you waiting for? Start preparing for the APC Written Assessment with Academically today to achieve your dream of Australia migration and registration within 2024. Academically is an online learning platform that offers multiple healthcare courses for pharmacists, dentists, doctors, optometrists, nurses, lab technicians, and other healthcare professions, apart from physiotherapists. Click on the link in the description to get a free 101 counseling session with our experts and begin your journey to an awesome career right now. All the best.